Hey guys, we're moving the grader on 285. Traffic is crazy. So we got people passing us, going nuts. Cars coming in. Woo! And that was a cop. All right, let's get it.
All right, we're here. Remember that culvert job I was telling you guys about? You saw the video on. We are now grading that job. Yeah, we're good. We hit it twice. Pushing that dirt. He's going way outside. You see, this is very flat. We want to get a crown here. Oh yeah. We're gonna have lots of material. These guys broke down. They're in our way. They need to get gone. Trying to be nice. They gotta get out of here. Clean up on aisle 3, but at least we got plenty of material. Some old asphalt. Man, that machine is a beast. You guys good? All right. Yep. Get this rock. Those controls in there are very sensitive. This out of the road. So he'll move all this over and then spread it back. It is Friday at 5 to 5. It has been the week of grading, but we have finished this small HOA. Not a lot of material here, and they don't have a big budget to bring in a bunch of material. So we tried to reclaim a whole lot from the sides, which makes it look really wide here. I'll show you in a second. But it turned out pretty good, and we got a lot of good material. I did deliver one free load to them, just because I was a little nervous about that culvert I put in. I wanted to make sure we didn't hit that with the grader. So, and then we wet it twice with the water truck, and yeah, so here it is. Take a little tour. We got a decent amount of 3-inch rocks on the road because we dug really far in on the sides. You can see we really cut down on the sides towards the ditches. to pull that material up. This whole road was very bathtub and or flat, and we were able to bring some crown back to it to get some watershed. So huge thank you to Jason over at Four Rivers, getting us the grader and the water truck. Those guys are awesome. We dug some material big time this week. We had to change out the cutting edges. They were brand new when they were delivered. We went through them in 3 days. So we've cut deep, moved a lot of rock, a lot of stone, hit a lot of big rocks. So I'm gonna say this was a fun video, pretty exciting. But I'm gonna call this a wrap. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. We got a lot more cool stuff coming, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.